McDonald's. They don't have no McFlurries. That's a violation. Why am I wearing a belly? I don't know, because my hairline is tapped.
Go where the toilet's right there.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Okay. I don't know what these lot are talking about, but I'm getting on cam. You're fucked. Can't lie, I'm fucked. Anyway, let me talk to you lot, because I ain't really... Zainab, are you good, fam? Zainab, just find the toilet. Anyway, let me talk to these lot, these YouTube lot, yeah? What do I need to talk to them about? Let me come sit here. Let's you know what, let's do a little mukbang thing. Oh shit. Oh shit. Let me use that. Yeah, that will do. I'm sure they can see both of us. How's life, Zach?
Life's good, man.
That's good.
How's
Are you at uni or what?
No.
No, what'd you do?
No, I'm unemployed.
Oh, same. No, actually, I'm employed.
Yeah, you
sorry,
are,
sorry,
though, yeah.
sorry.
I got an interview
Sorry.
tomorrow though.
For what?
A waiter.
Oh. Good luck, bro.
I told you my story about my friend who got stabbed.
Yes.
And then
And
unfortunately
he died.
Why are you laughing?
I'm not laughing. I'm looking at the wet floor sign. I'm not even laughing. It's because look at the wet floor sign, the way the guy's falling over.
That's how my friend died.
Oh my hat.
On the weekends I'm a children's entertainer.
Oh, that sounds kind of dodgy. What do you mean by that?
You're on Alex's list.
Oh shit, wait, what do you mean by that?
Parents pay me
Okay.
to entertain their children.
No, what the fuck? Wait, you didn't make it sound any better. What the fuck? Explain.
I like dress up for them and stuff.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Wait, how do I make this?
Zainab, come in.
How do I make this sound more creepy then?
He's a children's entertainer. Parents pay him to dress up for their children.
Wait,
Does
no.
that not sound weird?
No, like,
You
dress
sound
up.
like a pedophile.
That's what I'm saying. Wait,
You sound like a pedophile. Are you recording?
yes.
No!
We can do a mukbang when our music comes.
No, the camera has 10
Astaghfirullah.
pounds. So I'm gonna look.
Maybe you should just go to the gym. No, I didn't. Let me go see if my food's here or not. Right, let me see what the fuck's going on. I've been on this YouTube thing. Oh shit, my number's not even up there. 95, they say? 95? 95. That's in there. 94? Never mind. L. I'm about to get jumped. Where the fuck is my number? Wait, did I miss 94 or not? Oh, it's alright, yeah? Oh, that's me! That's me! 94, thank you. Let me grab my food, hold on, let me zoom out. 94. Excuse me, can I get some barbecue sauce? Where they gone, bro? Where are they gone? Excuse me. Can I get some barbecue sauce? Thank you. All customer service.
Apparently, yeah, with student discount, you can get a cheeseburger for free.
Yeah, I don't care. Oh! I'm here. I got my food. Sorry, I don't want to step on your AirPods.
Oh, thank you.
No problem. Alright, let's do a mukbang.
Mashallah.
Say that.
Come on.
Violent.
Proper rip it.
So why did you add me?
Is that mine?
No, it's mine, you stupid bitch.
Why'd you put it in front of me?
Because I wanted to
Fucking
move it out of the way,
dickhead.
innit?
Barbecue.
Barbecue, yeah. You
Good
want something
for you.
else? Ow, don't hit me like that ever again in your life.
There aren't any.
There's no tissue.
I'm crying.
So my throat hurts, bro.
Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. Don't beat me when we got home.
What?
Don't beat me when you got home.
Bro, people are gonna believe that, you know.
I know, she's been saying this a lot.
I said
today.
people, I get like 2
Why
viewers.
wouldn't you believe? One
So,
of them's me.
Because I get 2 views, bro. It's gonna be like Mohammed and
Zach.
Matthew watching
Maybe.
this. You're the most.
Why did you give me the
Because you need to look after it. That's your mission.
fuck am I gonna do with this?
Because you're a woman. And women should take care of things.
Actually, no, give me that back.
Take it back.
Zach, ask me any question you want. I swear to God, any question. Ask me and Reese any questions.
Okay.
Okay, you'd have to be that close to me, bro. We're not mixing.
That's what I'm saying. By you.
So I haven't. Oh.
Zainab, focus, cameraman.
Sorry.
Okay.
What he's doing for that.
We just had this conversation. We had this conversation while you was talking to your boyfriend.
Anything. Ask me anything, fam.
Oh, I don't want to ask like the typical questions that like stupid dickheads ask outside of Stratford and calling themselves YouTubers.
Would you want my daughter?
Gay son. It's a valid question though. Hey guys, I got a cheeseburger. You want it?
I didn't.
You got an extra one.
I didn't.
Cheeseburger?
I don't like cheese.
No.
So you don't.
Haram.
Anyway, let's go.
You're the
Question
fucking
time.
cheeseburger from.
Shut the fuck up, don't expose me on YouTube.
Yeah,
I had chicken sandwich because there was no good.
You know I can cut anything out you want. Yeah,
I know you
I'm
can.
not
you had
gonna cut that
a
out, though.
chicken sandwich from Tesco that wasn't
Astaghfirullah.
halal.
I'm a good girl.
Make do up.
The gherkins
Ask me a fucking question.
When did you lose your virginity? If you have these two.
Oh shit. 17.
7? Oh, so are you?
And it
Why
was
they
in.
big onions?
No, I was 18. No, I was
No, you were
17.
17.
I was 17.
Luke, respectfully take
So
your
you were
money
the
off.
first.
For fuck's sake.
Not flattering.
So you were the first out of.
I was
us.
17.
MashaAllah, that's nice.
And
Why you saying mustard?
it was in. You know, my house. We went in the back. We got the business,
Oh
bro.
my god, Luke.
We got busy.
That's so romantic.
Oh, gonna take you there. I
No.
don't have a phone charger.
No,
but
I
what's-
say, bro.
We are very sorry.
You just want a phone charger, bro. Why you got
I'm
free
so
cheese?
sorry. I hope you find a child soon.
Ah, say, bro.
Alright,
Sorry.
sorry.
May God bless you.
Astaghfirullah.
Anyway, yeah.
How did. Wow.
Wow.
What about you?
Children, fuck.
Haven't.
What?
Yeah.
I'm match anybody.
Never matched anybody. I've never done more than
That's a
kiss.
lie.
I've never done more than kiss a
Aw.
girl.
That's a lie. Look at this sexy white nigga, bro, and you're telling me he ain't like no one from.
He's a model, isn't it?
You say white nigga.
Hey, sexy white brother.